In front of me is CHUWI HiPad X, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first, let's open messages or any other area where you can input some text. So let me just click on new message, and here you've got the current language of your keyboard. To change it, just tap on settings, click on languages, pick add keyboard, and just choose the one that you would like to apply. Tap on done, and then let's go back to some message, smoothly change it to the second language, and here you've got it. Obviously, if you'd like to have one language only, just open the settings again, pick languages, and remove this unnecessary language, and then you will have one language only. So this is it, that will be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.